Hey everybody, Steph Beckett here at InfoComm 2022. I'm here at the INOGENI booth here with Jean-Pierre and Jerome, and we are talking a little bit about what INOGENI has today at InfoComm. So you were telling me a little bit about how it's been quite a busy morning. The show opened. There was quite a crowd outside. I think it's triple the size of the crowd that was at last year's InfoComm. So tell me what that's been for you guys.
It's doing very well. I think I see it in ISC in Barcelona 2 weeks ago. The movement to come back and meet people, shake hands for the first time in 2 years. So I think people are enthusiasm. They are ready to work together more than ever and meet. So yeah, it's fun, and the show will be really busy.
And I can imagine attendees are ready to work with you guys as well because you guys are known for, like, in AV, we always are like, oh, I wish there was a product that did this. But when it comes to a product that does USB switching, you've got it. You've got everything that we could need for that. So you guys are kind of paving the way for bring your own meetings right now. So tell me a little bit about that.
It's important. Bring your own meeting. It's the new reality. Everybody come up with their presentation with their laptop, and they want to connect with the current installation. So it could be another PC room, a Zoom room, or a Teams rooms, or a codec, but they want to use the high quality of equipment around them. So the camera, microphones, display, etc. Without a device that make the exchange, the connection between the current system and their laptop, it's impossible to do that. So they try to do the meeting with the small laptop camera. Everybody are a little small like that. So it's why we developed the toggle. We developed different products that help to solve the problem. We did that with Cisco also. So it's really solve the problem.
And in terms of bring your own meeting, this is also important as it's becoming increasingly a permanent thing that we're going to be hybrid forever. So people need solutions that they can bring home, they can bring them to the office, they can plug in their camera at home, they can plug in their camera at the office, and things just need to work without a bunch of hassle. So tell me a little bit about that. Do you think that we are going to be in hybrid forever, and do you think that you guys are part of solving those issues?
Absolutely. Yesterday, I did with Gilles Chinois, the president, a conference about how to manage multi-camera installation for iFlex, classroom, hybrid environment. And it's an issue because the big trend, and it's a normal things, that everybody asks for meeting equity. So the people outside of the meeting and inside in the room, they need to have the same equality of right, to express themselves and develop a real conversation. So this is what we talked about yesterday, and applications and how to deal with the interoperability of many systems, from camera to codec, mixers, and display, and etc. So yes, is going to stay because they have a lot of advantage. People now enjoy to be at home sometime during the week. Employers, they understand people at home could be really productive as well. It was a big concern before, but now we have a big change, and it's going to be good for everybody. Instead of driving 2 hours to go at work, you take care of your kids, you can work, and you stay at home. But what it's important is have a good system for collaboration, a good screen, a good camera, and multi-camera to facilitate the exchange.
So, Jerome, you're going to tell me a little bit more about what you're showing here. Yes. So I'm interested to see. Speaking of applications, let's talk about what you guys are showing here today.
Basically, we have the toggle here. So basically, it's to complete the gap between Microsoft Teams room and Zoom room in order to use the same hardware into a video conferencing system. So this device will share the device between those systems. So it's quite popular, I would say. It's all compatible with USB 3, USB 2, all compatible with multiple USB extenders. So it's quite robust. We have also our 4KX Plus. So it's designed for Cisco WebEx environment, like the RoomKit, the RoomKit Plus, the RoomKit Pro. So it enables to access the Cisco hardware of the entire room in order to implement BYOM features.
the UCAM's down here.
Yes, right there.
Perfect.
So this is a product that we've been asked all along for a couple of years. So now it is. So yeah, so it's capturing USB cameras and it converts it to an HDMI output. So you have also control systems like IP, RS-232, USB. So the firmware will come along, and we see a lot of demands on this product. Yeah.
It's enable AI camera to be connected to codec with only HDMI inputs.
Yeah.
So people, they can use their entire own systems, add a new AI capabilities with auto frame system and light balance and etc. to their codec and infrastructure. So it's really helpful. Yeah.
Very cool. Well, anything else? Do you want to talk about these a little bit?
Yes, these are video to USB 3 converters, so we can convert from HDMI, DVI, SDI, and VGA as well to USB 3. It's all USB 2 compliant, so it's full compatible with USB extender as well. And we have also our USB camera mixers and selectors, the Share 2U and the Cam 300. So it will mix, select USB or HDMI cameras and output the result through USB or HDMI. And it can be also simultaneously. So.
Well, I know we're coming to do more extensive product videos so everyone can learn a little more information about each one, but where can people go to find more information about INOGENI?
You can go to INOGENI.com, but also we have a distributor in US is BTX Technology. They are really good and service and support customer and integrators. And also we sell that worldwide. So we have distributor and dealers in the European market, in Asia, Africa, South America. So we cover the world, and we're growing so fast. We are a Canadian manufacturer, and all of the manufacturing is done in Quebec and Ottawa. So we are proud that 97% of our product are made with hydroelectricity. So it's a greener product for that. And also, we control the security, and the fact is a TAA compliance product. You know, for us, it's important to develop a product that is robust, and the security it's well in control.
Very cool. Thank you both for taking the time to speak with me and letting me get to know your booth a little bit. But yeah, thank you so much. And don't forget, for rAVe Pubs, you can go to ravepubs.com/Infocom 2022 for all of our Infocom coverage. Thanks so much. Bye.